Jack's cat weighs 3 1/8 pounds. What is 3 1/8 written as decimal? What is 3 1/8 written as improper fraction? So first we have to change 3 1/8 as decimal. We can rewrite that this is our mixed number. We can change that this is 3 plus 1/8. 3 is whole number, so we can leave this, and 1/8 we can change to decimal by doing long division. So we have to divide 1 by 8. How many times you can put 8 to 1? 0. So we can have to add decimal point after 1, because it's always invisible, and few zeros. It doesn't change our number, it's still 1, because 1 zeros after decimal point is like nothing. So now 0 times 8 is 0. Subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. We take up decimal point, take down first 0. So 10 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. We take down next 0. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtraction. 20 minus 16 is 4. We take down next 0. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So we see that we finish long division. We can write that this is equal 3 plus, and we got that 1/8 as a decimal is 0.125. So this is equal 3 plus 0.125 is 3.125. We change our mixed number to decimal number by doing long division. Now we have to change our mixed number to improper fraction. We have 3 1/8. How we do this? We copy our denominator, fraction bar, and now we multiply denominator times our whole number, and we add whatever we have in our numerator. We have to add. So we have in our numerator 8 times 3 plus 1. So this is equal 8, we copy. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So 3 1/8 as improper fraction is 25/8. This is my solution.